Hi, this is Joan of Arc and we are here at the river, Camanoy River or Suba Asang Camanoy. There we go, and we're about to cross the stony river. It's called TABOK SUBA in Ilonggo. Meaning of TABOK is across or to cross, and Suba is river. So let's do the challenge. So look here. Alright. This is where they take a bath and do their bonding, do the laundry. Abe. Sipasit. Kaya na. Damo mo pud samon. Damo. Kaya. Be. Woohoo! Kaya ko kaya. Ay, yung na lang kami. Right. Kaya. Woo! Kaya. Oh my goodness. Kaya na. Alright, we've crossed the river. We've done it. So that's our mini adventure. Crossing the river, TABOK SUBA. This is Joan of Arc. Thanks for watching and see you in our next video.
Yeah.
Carabao! Carabao, what happened to you?
Sungay ang balagon.
Sungay mong balagon, ha? What happened to that? Look how funny is that? Funny Carabao. What are you doing with all those vines? How are you supposed to get out of there? Carabao!